In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll in Slack using a simple built-in method that works in any workspace without installing extra apps. This is perfect if you want quick feedback from your team, want to make decisions faster, or just want an easy way to see what everyone supports. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Slack and go to the channel or direct message where you want to create the poll. This could be a team channel, a project channel, or even a private group. Once you're in the right place, click into the message box, just like you're about to send a normal message. Now type out your poll question clearly so everyone understands what they're voting on. For example, you could type something like, "Which day should we schedule the team meeting?" Or "Which design option do you prefer?" The clearer the question, the better the responses you'll get. Next, after typing your question, press Enter to send the message. This step is important because Slack polls using emojis work by reacting to an existing message. Once your question is posted, hover your mouse over the message. You'll see a small reaction icon, which looks like a smiley face with a plus sign. Click on that reaction icon to add emojis. Now, this is where the poll really comes together. Choose emojis that represent each option you want to give your team. For example, you might use a thumbs up emoji for yes and a thumbs down emoji for no, or number emojis like 1, 2, and 3 for multiple choices. Add each emoji as a reaction to your message. These emojis act as the voting options for your poll. After you've added all the emojis, you can let your team know how to vote. You can either include instructions in your original message or send a follow-up message saying something like, "Please vote by clicking the emoji that matches your choice." Once your teammates start reacting, you'll be able to see the number next to each emoji increase. That number shows how many people voted for that option. As votes come in, you can quickly see which option has the most support. This makes it really easy to make decisions without long message threads or meetings. Everyone can participate with just one click, and the results are visible to the whole team in real time. If you want to get more detailed results, you can also click on an emoji reaction to see exactly who voted for that option. This can be useful if you need to follow up with specific team members or understand different perspectives. And that's it. You've successfully created a simple and effective poll in Slack using emojis. No apps, no setup, and no extra permissions required. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips, productivity tricks, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.